And I just want to show you how to use the Old Oak Connect app as the client, okay? So this is going to be your dashboard. You'll have your dashboard, your facilities, invoices, complaints, and your profile. It'll also tell you the status of your account in the top right. So this is going to be where this welcome video is going to be recorded, or where it will be placed. You'll have your invoices here, so you'll be able to see all of your invoices, and I'll show you how to walk through that in just a second. You'll see your next scheduled service here, your facilities if you have multiple facilities or if you only have a single facility. Also, if you would like to request different services or report any issues with your service. So clicking over here into My Facilities, you'll be able to see all of your facilities, and you'll be able to see all of the service date, the last service date, the next service date, and the information. When you click into View Facility, you'll be able to see your service history. So this is all just demo service history. So you could see if there's a clean that is currently in progress, it'll say here in the top right that it's in progress. If the clean has been completed, you'll see that it'll say completed, and any cleaner's notes. It'll also show you everything that was performed on that specific service date. And you'll have all of your previous services here. I believe that it's up to 45 days of history is what's stored here. If there's any before and after photos, those will also be attached here to the service history. And you'll be able to see your upcoming service, and if you want to request additional services, you can do that here from that for that facility. Click over to Invoices. This is where you'll be able to see your invoices, total invoices, invoices due, anything that's overdue, and anything that's been paid. Now we have one invoice here that says invoice due, and one invoice here that says payment processing. So what you'll have is an invoice number, the date of the service, the date the invoice is due. When you click onto this Pay Now button, it will take you over to a link for a secured Square checkout, and you'll put in your payment information through Square. And from here, it's a manual process on our end, and so on your end, what you'll see is that it'll say payment processing. And if you give me just a moment, I can update. Let me update this invoice. Okay. And so once we verified that the payment has gone through, then you'll see a payment paid. And so when you see this payment processing, don't fret. This is just a manual side of it. You'll see on your Square invoice whether or not it's been paid, and so you can go based off of the Square invoice if it's been paid. And then as far as this specific here, this payment processing, this is not a processing. This is just us manually verifying that the payment has gone through. Complaints here. If you ever have any issues with the facility, you can submit a complaint. You can click which facility it is that you're having an issue with and put in any details, the priority, and attach any photos. From there, the complaint will get sent straight to our team and to the assigned cleaners for that facility. And so from here, you can edit your complaint if there's something you want to change, or you can delete your complaint. Once the complaint is in, you can receive communication from us or the cleaners via this communication, and that will let you know how everything is going with the complaint. As you can see here, you'll also have a status update about the complaint. So you can see here that we've received the complaint. From there, you'll have statuses such as acknowledged. And when the complaint has been acknowledged, that means that it has been sent to the appropriate cleaners and it has been viewed by staff, and we are actively working to take care of that complaint. Now, when it's in the resolving, That means that there is actively somebody being sent to the facility to take care of your complaint, to take care of the issue. And then after that, once that has been resolved, you'll typically see some photos, some resolution notes, some photos, as well as some communication in the communication thread. So I'll put here, this complaint has been resolved, and we can attach photos and post that comment. And so now, when you click onto this complaint, see here, and completed, update. So now when you click onto this complaint, you should see the status as completed, and you'll be able to see any sort of communication. The complaint has been resolved. The unknown user, we still have a couple of bugs that we're working out on this application, but that's how that works. And then we have the My Profile, and this is just where your general information is going to be. You'll once again be able to see your account status, and you'll be able to submit feedback based off of the app and its performance. So thank you for choosing Old Oak Cleaning once again, and we hope that you enjoy your service.